In a move that has sent ripples of concern across the international community, North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has declared the development of artificial intelligence for military purposes a paramount national priority. This announcement was made during a high-level Workers' Party meeting. It signals a significant and alarming shift in Pyongyang's strategic thinking. Kim's directive focuses on integrating advanced AI into unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, aiming to create a new generation of autonomous weapons. This isn't just about modernizing a formidable military, it's about changing the rules of engagement on the Korean peninsula and beyond. The world is watching, trying to decipher the true extent of this ambition. The declaration represents a calculated step by a regime long prioritizing military innovation as a cornerstone of survival and power. For decades, North Korea has pursued asymmetrical warfare, offsetting conventional disadvantages with disruptive tech like nuclear weapons and ballistic missiles. Now Kim appears to see artificial intelligence as the next frontier. By tasking top scientists and engineers, he is initiating a national crusade. To fully grasp the gravity of Kim Jong-un's announcement, it's essential to understand the technologies at its core. Artificial intelligence, in simple terms, is the ability of a computer or a machine to think, learn, make decisions like a human. In a military context, AI can process vast amounts of battlefield information in fractions of a second, identifying targets, predicting enemy movements, and even making autonomous decisions about when and where to attack. It's a force multiplier, giving machines a level of cognitive ability that was once the exclusive domain of human soldiers. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, are aircraft without a human pilot on board. For years, they have been controlled remotely by operators who are often thousands of miles away. These machines have become indispensable for surveillance, reconnaissance, targeted strikes. However, the integration of AI is changing their fundamental nature. An AI-powered drone is no longer just a remote-controlled plane. It can become an autonomous system. It could potentially operate without constant human command, executing complex missions on its own based on pre-programmed objectives and its real-time analysis of the environment. This leap from remote control to autonomy is what makes these new systems so revolutionary. North Korea's pursuit of AI drones does not happen in a vacuum. It adds a new, dangerous layer to an already formidable military apparatus. The cornerstone of Pyongyang's power remains its nuclear weapons program. Experts believe the regime possesses a growing arsenal of nuclear warheads, estimated to be between 40 and 60, with the fissile material to produce more each year. Complementing its nuclear arsenal is a sophisticated and increasingly capable ballistic missile program. Short-range projectiles capable of hitting any target in South Korea. Intercontinental ballistic missiles theoretically capable of reaching the mainland United States. Recent tests have shown advancements in solid fuel technology. Easier to transport, easier to hide, faster to launch. Beyond strategic weapons, North Korea fields one of the largest conventional armies in the world. Over 1.2 million active personnel, several million more in reserve. Much of its equipment is outdated, but its sheer size and forward posture along the DMZ pose an immediate threat to South Korea. Thousands of artillery pieces, rocket launchers dug into hardened sites along the border, capable of unleashing a devastating barrage on Seoul, a metro of over 25 million, with little to no warning. Finally, North Korea has cultivated a skilled and aggressive cyber warfare unit, Bureau 121. North Korea is not developing these advanced technologies in isolation. A growing body of evidence points to deepening cooperation with China with Russia. Both have advanced AI and drone programs. This partnership provides Pyongyang with access to knowledge components, direct technical assistance which would otherwise be beyond reach due to stringent international sanctions. Recent high-profile meetings between Kim and leaders from Moscow and Beijing have solidified an emerging axis of technology transfer aimed at countering U.S. and allied influence. Russia's role has become particularly prominent. After Kim's visit to Russia's Far East, he toured spaceports' aviation factories. China plays a nuanced but critical role as North Korea's ally and economic lifeline, but its commercial sector likely supplies dual-use tech. The development of AI-powered drones by North Korea fundamentally alters the security landscape of Northeast Asia and presents a new, complex challenge for the world. These weapons could give Pyongyang the ability to conduct deniable attacks, precision attacks with a lower risk of escalation than launching a ballistic missile. A swarm of autonomous drones could, for example, target a critical military facility in South Korea, target a critical civilian facility in South Korea, target a critical military facility in Japan, target a critical civilian facility in Japan, creating chaos and damage-making attribution difficult. This introduces a dangerous ambiguity into a region already on a knife's edge, increasing the chances of miscalculation accidental conflict. This technological push also enhances Kim Jong-un's strategy of coercion. With a more diverse and sophisticated arsenal, he can make more credible threats to extract concessions from the international community, easing of sanctions, economic aid, political recognition. The fear of what an AI-enabled North Korean military could do becomes a powerful bargaining chip. The international community now faces the urgent task of addressing this new threat before it fully materializes.